Hey everyone, welcome back to Team FAS Motorsports. Today is an exciting one for us. We're going to be kicking off the next phase of our Polaris RZR Pro R Ultimate build with all the unboxing of the DRT parts that they sent us to go on this machine. The stuff that DRT sent us is going to completely transform the look and performance and feel of this Polaris RZR Pro R. You've seen us talk about DRT Motorsports before. They're a big part of this build and known for their billet aluminum parts that bring performance and style to your machine. This video is all about showing you exactly what's going on this Pro R and unboxing everything before we start installing them in the next couple episodes. Think of this video as a before the transformation look at all these cool parts. Now let's take a look at what DRT sent us. First, we're going to unbox the aluminum exhaust cover. Let's take a look at what this looks like. It's a really nice piece. There's all the grills in there, DRT logo on the top. So it'll look real good on the back of the Pro R. Next up is going to be their trunk enclosure. As you can tell, this stuff is really well packed. Once you get your part out of the packing, you'll see that it's actually wrapped again, and it's almost like a rubbery neoprene type covering on the part just for extra protection. So there's the rear trunk piece for the RZR Pro R. Again, beautiful styling, nice grille, DRT logo. So these two items will both be featured in the first install video. The tailgate closes off the bed nicely and gives it a real finished look. The exhaust cover is going to add some protection and serious style to the rear of this machine. These items are really going to clean up the interior and tie everything together. Their fit and finish and billet dresses up and gives it a clean, premium feel. Next are the front CV guards and the rear shock protectors. These are functional upgrades that protect key components from rock, sand, and debris out on the trail. Perfect for what we use our machine for. This aluminum grille will be the finishing touch of the build. It replaces the stock plastic grille with a clean, aggressive look that perfectly matches DRT's design style. So that's the full lineup of the DRT Motorsports parts going on our Pro R Ultimate. We're going to break this down into a mini series, starting with the rear end, then jumping to the interior, then the rear suspension parts, and finishing off with the grille. Each of those videos will have an in-depth install, fitment tips, and any other things we come across. So be sure to turn on your notifications and subscribe to the channel. Big thanks to DRT Motorsports for all these killer parts, and stay tuned because the next video is where this build is really going to start to come together.